Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and we're right back on this account. Remember, I closed the trade on $2,700 profit in the previous video, if you recall. So I'm going to re-enter the trade again, as I told you, still targeting that system B trade down there, and we will see how much profit we can get from that. So yeah, we're back on the 5-minute time frame. And yeah, let me just take, should I lower my lot size? It's going to be a big profit here to lower my risk because it's NFP week, by the way. Let me just use 10 lot size. Okay, and yeah, there you go. We should be making, let's see how much profit we will make on this trade, about $4,000. Yeah. Okay, yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, join me live, taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and yeah, book a one-on-one session with me. It can be for 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, 6 months, depending on how long the mentorship is. We started this account with $250. Okay, there you go. And yeah, we've made a total profit of over almost $74,000 since we've been trading it a few months ago. And yeah, this was the last trade I was talking about. We've made a withdrawal of totally $25,350. Okay, and that was the last withdrawal, $15,000. Actually, we've made a profit of over $76,000. I took some trades and I forgot about it. It's because of the last video I recorded. If you want to join my VIP daily signals with daily follow-up on the trades on FX pairs and gold, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the signals. Okay, and yeah, it's going to be limited to 50 people, and entry closes at the end of this year. All right, the signal group will have daily follow-up on each trade. And yeah, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trades, make sure you have at least $350 in your account. Sign up with Milga Market and send me proof of that on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, also link in the description below. And if you want to test the software for free for 1 week, sign up with Milga Market, link in the description below. Make sure you have $150 and send me proof of that on Telegram. We'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, my trade is about to hit take profit. We're on the 15 minutes time frame. I told you I was going to take this trade again. Today is the 1st of November. Should I just manually close this trade? It's already, I'm going for 4,000. It's already over 3,800. Guys, what? There you go. I just have to close it. I just have to close that trade. I can't believe in it open because of $180 left. It's still going to drop all the way down. Remember, when I say the market must go down, it always go down. When I say it must go up, it always go up. It's still going to keep on dropping all the way down on USDJPY. That being said, we've made a total profit of over $80,000. Remember, if you want to get the VIP signals where I will be posting daily trades for FX and gold with daily follow-up, go to hedgingmasterminds.com. And if you want to learn how to hedge your account so that whenever the market goes left or right, whenever you're in a loss, you can always come out in profit or come out and break even instead of accepting that loss. You want to learn how to hedge live with me, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the software that does all the analysis for you. Tells you the market trend, where to exit, where to hedge, where and when to scalp, to give you alerts, and do all the analysis for you at hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. We'll be right back once we have another profit opportunity in the market soon.